Hello everyone, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we will be starting with pipes. There are many types available in the pipe system. We will be discussing about the very basic understanding, what are the settings available related to them. Let's start that. What is pipe? Pipe is a tube used to transport or convey water, gas, oil, any fuel elements which may be a fluid to a plumbing equipments or fire protection equipments. It may be anything. What are the pipe types available? Based on the material, steel, copper, aluminum, PVC, CPVC, there are many. Based on the standards, we have schedule 40, 80 and other standards based on the countries which is available. What are the pipes system types available in Revit? This is about Revit. You have the hydronic system flow written. You have hot water supplies flow and returns, cold water, which is these three are called domestic supplies, and flue maybe sanitary water systems, fire protection water systems. There are many in fire protections, wet, dry and the other systems. Vent for the airflow and other systems are available in Revit. So the system is a mechanism which used to differentiate the different available in Revit. So please note that you can create your own systems as you wish. With that, let's start Revit. You can access the pipe option from here. You will be able to draw pipes. As you know, the interface, it shows the contextual tab which related to the pipe systems. On the left side, it shows the pipe types available in the systems from this place. You can select the pipe types based on the materials, segment material, or otherwise the fitting types available with each types. The important part is that you have to select the system type from this property. By default, it says that hydronic supply. As we discussed, there are many types available other than hydronic supply. While you create the pipe, you have to select for what purpose that you are creating this pipe. You have to change their size and you have to define their elevation. If you want to create a new system, the settings available in this family categories, the loaded family options, pipe system, which is available here. By default, settings are available here. You can create your own system by duplicating the existing systems and you can name it. If you wanted to create a new pipe families based on the material, you can create the pipe settings which is available under Manage, MEP settings, Mechanical settings, pipe settings from this place. The segment which as I said, you can create your own. By default, these many types are available. That's it for this tutorial. See you on the next tutorial, how to create a hydronic supply systems and return system for a mechanical equipment. Take care.